Let's send it. Woo! Wow! I need like to figure out what's the speed for to take the jump perfect way. I just don't want to put it on like it's just gonna fly. I feel like I can do a backflip easily. Woo!
Sorry, question?
Oh my god. That thing get aired. After it all, and I had to put foot throttle to get back. Bro, that thing's so fun. Oh. Oh. Machine. I'm getting overheat or low battery? I've been beating the hell out of that battery though. Oh yeah, that thing's hot. Overall overview of the truck with all the new modification. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It takes the corner well. I would have thought that bigger tire would have made the servo just act up, but servo's strong enough. And I've used it for a good hour. And oh my god, this thing has so much power. With the 3S cell, I couldn't put it to the max because it would just bend over. As soon as I put the 3S in, it just gave me a bit too much power even. It was a bit insane. Like you could see the tire just wanted to explode. Well, you're gonna see I took 1 or 2 jump, maybe 3 jump at full speed. And you know, I just fly. You're gonna see which one it is. So yeah, overall, it's a really good upgrade. It makes so it doesn't break the car as much when you land because of those beefy tire, and with the suspension, it's just a charm. Just a charm. I need to wash it. Look, Look at this. So dirty. That's what happens when you go to the wood. But yeah, guys, overall, pretty happy with the modification. If you have any question, just put it in the comment and I'll answer you back. Have a nice day. Peace out.